Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through using Dola AI, an absolute game changer for conversational calendar management and scheduling that operates directly inside your favorite messaging platforms. Unlike traditional planning software that forces you to download heavy applications or manually fill out tedious event forms, Dola acts as a virtual secretary that lives straight inside WhatsApp, Telegram, iMessage, or Line. To begin setting it up, simply open your preferred messaging application, add the official Dola AI contact card to your active chats list, and type a quick introductory greeting to launch your workspace. Your first critical step is to tap on the onboarding sync link provided by the bot to securely bridge Dola with your primary Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Outlook account, ensuring zero scheduling conflicts. Once connected, you can completely abandon rigid formatting and manage your entire life by chatting organically. Simply text, speak a natural voice note, or drop an image like a concert poster, and state commands like schedule a team presentation for next Thursday at 3 with a 30-minute alert. The underlying language models instantly parse the raw data, cross-reference your free slots, build the official calendar block, and send real-time weather alerts and smart task updates effortlessly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.